Who needs magic when we can turn this simplified box into a feathered friend? Alright folks, as always, time for drawing a simple object, keeping it simple and epic. And seriously, what's more epic than a beak? So here's a shape for it. Can you guess what are these for? Comment your best guesses below, and let's unravel this parrot mystery together. And we've got a line for a cute belly and a wing to match. What's missing? A tail, of course. Let's sprinkle some details around. Yep, you guessed it, those mesmerizing eyes. How about a snazzy new do for our feathered friend? Gotta keep those feathers fabulous. And it goes along with this cool smile like sunglasses on a sunny day. Is it just me? Or is he just trying to charm us with his feathered charisma? Even this fly is curious about what we are doing. Hang tight, little buddy. You've got front row seats to creativity in action. I think we nailed it. No doubt you'd agree. Few missing details, and let's bust out that marker and give this thing some swagger. You think it's awesome now? Just wait till we finish with the marker magic. Follow the lines, relax, enjoy the ride. Sit back and watch it all click into place, like a jigsaw puzzle. Because you're crushing it, like a ninja at a pillow fight. Keep up the awesome work. We can't even pretend we're not over the moon with the results. Seriously though, you nailed it. High five, silly peep. So, where do you think our little feathered friend will fly off to next? Maybe join a crew of pirate parrots, or fly around the world. What would you like? It's your time to splash some color. Pick your colors as you like it, and feel free to peek at my version for a bit of inspiration if you fancy. If you want more, because you like what you see, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.